It has been almost 2 years since DJI introduced the Mini 4 Pro, and now, anticipation is building for what comes next in the Mini lineup. If you have been holding out for a compact drone that delivers professional-grade features without compromising on portability, your patience may soon be rewarded. Leaks and reports about the DJI Mini 5 Pro are gaining momentum, and from everything we have seen so far, it looks like this model could be a significant leap forward for the Mini series. With hints at a confirmed release window, early images of prototypes, and some bold speculations about its capabilities, there is plenty to explore. Let's break it all down. Although DJI has not made any official announcements, two reliable sources have pointed to September 2025 as the likely release period for the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The initial report came from Jasper Ellens at DroneXL, a leaker with a strong record when it comes to DJI product timelines. This prediction was echoed by Hakasushi, another well-regarded source on X, who stated that trusted information confirms a September target. Given that this would mark 2 years since the launch of Mini 4 Pro, it aligns perfectly with DJI's typical update cycle. Leaked photos believed to show the DJI Mini 5 Pro in testing hint at a fresh design that is both sleeker and slightly larger than its predecessor. One striking feature visible in these images is the inclusion of propeller guards. These could simply be part of a testing configuration, but there is growing speculation that DJI might include them as standard equipment, similar to what they did with the DJI Avata, to enhance flight safety. The motors appear noticeably larger and more robust, suggesting an upgrade aimed at improving power delivery and wind resistance. With all these physical refinements, the big question remains: can DJI keep this drone under that crucial 249-gram threshold? For many drone enthusiasts, that 249-gram mark is critical. Drones that stay under this limit are exempt from registration in many countries for recreational use, including in the United States. DJI has consistently met this weight target in the Mini line, but with bigger motors, potential new sensors, and possibly a larger battery to support longer flights, they may be pushing the limits this time. If the final weight tips over that figure, it could frustrate fans who rely on the Mini's registration-free status. However, if DJI manages to deliver all these improvements while staying under that 250-gram barrier, it would be a remarkable engineering achievement. Perhaps the most exciting leak so far is the potential inclusion of a 1-inch camera sensor. This would be a substantial step up from the 1/1.3-inch sensor found in the Mini 4 Pro. The benefits would include better low-light performance, crisper detail, and enhanced dynamic range, features that would appeal strongly to content creators, travelers, and vloggers looking for high-quality output from a lightweight drone. Some leaked images even show what looks like a larger camera module than seen in earlier prototypes, suggesting that DJI is still fine-tuning this key component. Another significant upgrade could be the introduction of LiDAR sensors, a first for the Mini series. Observers have noted additional sensor points on leaked images of the drone's body, which may indicate that LiDAR is being added to enable more precise obstacle detection and avoidance. This would represent a major boost in flight safety and tracking performance, particularly when navigating tight spaces or challenging environments. Early rumors also point to a potential 50-minute flight time, which would be a huge jump from the Mini 4 Pro's 34 minutes. Combine that with a rumored range of 25 kilometers, and the Mini 5 Pro could deliver endurance and reach that rival much larger and more expensive models. For a drone that fits easily into a small bag, these numbers would set a new benchmark in the compact drone category. What we are seeing in these leaks suggests the DJI Mini 5 Pro might be the most ambitious entry in the Mini series to date. A 1-inch sensor, LiDAR-assisted obstacle avoidance, 50-minute flight endurance, and possibly a full redesign, all packed into a frame that DJI will try to keep under 250 grams. It is a bold plan that, if successful, could set a new standard for compact drones. What about you? Are you excited for what the Mini 5 Pro could offer? Which feature has you most intrigued? An upgraded camera, longer flight time, smarter obstacle avoidance, or something else? Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and stay tuned for more updates as we learn more about this promising drone.